Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte graphic card driver. So first you have to come this site www.gigabyte.com. After that, it is right hand side, this is search icon, just click on it and then enter the model number of your graphic card. Go for RTX 4070 AERO OC12G. After that, click on hit. Then click on the product and click on name of the title. Then click on support. Then select operating system Windows 10 and 11. So both operating system installations process same. So this is NVIDIA driver, this is version, this is size, this is state, and this is date, and this is download icon. When you click to download, it will start downloading. In the download box you can see it is start downloading and it will take 5 to 10 minutes depend about your internet. After completed, then click on three dot and click on download. Now you can see it is completed. So this is completed, then open this file, show in file folder. So where it is downloading, it will open it. You can see this is your driver. Just right click and run as administrator. And if you are using Windows 10, so like this, run as administrator. You can see NVIDIA package launcher and click to yes. Then click on OK. After that, you can see this is extract drivers to your system for the installation. Please wait the file save to your computer, and when complete, driver installations will start. After that, you can see okay. Now you're checking the connectivity, and then next to install, next, and then restart your system. You can see this is icon next, license options, and here to step finished. And after that, also completed driver, then restart your system.